welcome to my channel. And we're looking for laybay kasi kakain kami. And I don't know what this laybay is. Kain kami ng breakfast. It's our breakfast. We're here in the stopover. We're gonna eat McDo. So, I got cheesy egg desal. Ganda ng araw.
Ito.
Galing na, diba?
Sarap. Para makinig siya mo. Mga tailgating. Buhay ito.
Ay, gusto kong matiling buhay mo pero malungkot mo magandang buhay. Pero weekly. Pwede nabigay na ano. Siguro ito rin yung magandang buhay. Pero yung pangit na buhay tas malungkot. Eh, mahabang buhay tas malungkot.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Kanina, pupunta kami ng Laguna. Though dumaan kami doon, but we're here na in Makulot Street. Bali yung kaninang bundok pala na nakikita namin is Makulot.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Delphi Street.
Later, I'll show it with you. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong Mount Makulot. Yan. Look at that. Sobrang ganda niya. Parang 5 years ago ata nung inakit namin to. So that time hindi pa ako masyadong nag-vlog.
Take the next left onto Geronimo Cuevas Street.
Para mapakita ko sa inyo. Guys, may sobrang gandang view dito. Hindi kami akit sa Makulot, but may magandang view. There. Ganda ng Makulot. Ang ganda dito, grabe. So from Cavite, go to Laguna, and then here in Batangas. I'm so amazed. Sobrang ganda ng view. There.
Tanong mo yung ano?
Papakita ko sa inyo later.
Tanong mo kami ba?
We are here, sunshine, as in, ang ganda. I was amazed. Pwede naman palang pumunta na lang dito before, umakit pa kami ng Mount Makulot. Pero maganda kasi yung view sa Mount Makulot eh. Nakapag-CR na rin ako. Look at the view. Ganda, diba? Punta kami doon. And, good thing, walang bayad. Hey, sunshine! So, are you ready to see the view? It's just free. Even yung parking, walang bayad. Nag-CR lang ako. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. How about you? Are you excited? Okay. View reveal. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. It's so amazing. So, yan yung natatanaw kapag umaakyat ng Mount Makulot. Pwede rin naman pala siyang makita dito. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. So, my Monday is super happy right now because of this. I'm using my phone to film this. Kasi biglang nagloko yung GoPro ko. But I'm just gonna show you yung mga ayun o, there's a lot of basura. And sobrang gandang-ganda ng view. Pero hindi nila tinatapon ng maayos yung basura sa Look at the view o. Tinatapunan lang nila ng basura. Sad reality.
Walang signal dito eh.
Yep. Guys,
Kawawa naman sila.
nagloko yung ano ko, battery ng GoPro ko. Hindi ko na-view yung, na-video yung parang entire ng umampaw. Ay, lumampaw pala. So, akala ko view deck siya ng Mount Makulot. Malapit siya sa Mount Makulot, pero view deck siya. So, bali, ayun. Search nyo na lang sa Google Map.
Search nyo na sa Google Map, mga tanga. Ganun dapat.
Oy!
Ay, nabidyo ka.
Narinig nyo ba yun? Bad. Ang funny, nung sinasabi ko kanina, akala ko siya is Mount Makulot view deck siya. So, lumampaw view deck pala siya sa Cuenca, Batangas. So, ito talaga yung road trip. Like, hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo pupunta. Ako pala, di ko alam. Anyways, yeah, pabalik na kami. Ba't ba?
Take the next left to stay on National Highway. Continue on National Highway for 1 kilometer.
Palabas na kami ng Batangas and parang mga 2 hours ata kaming nasa road. Literal na road trip. Ayan. After this, we're gonna cook food na lang sa bahay and then rest and sleep and we're gonna work later. I'm gonna work. Here we go. Hey Sunshine, so I'm home and just finished cooking sinigang and I'm gonna eat na. That's my rice, sinigang, and my pastil. So yes, I'm selling pastil and thank you so much for joining me to this road trip. So from Cavite to Laguna, Batangas, and go back to Cavite. So see you to our next style and story. Bye!